They looked at her like, I thought we were playing. Where you going? To the comments. The goats. Wait, little lady, have you met the Lord? Savior. She was so scared. I feel bad for laughing. The goats were like, damn, Gracie, I thought we were just playing. Why you bring your mama in this? The goats, is you good? We just making sure you're home, okay? Traumatized by Messi and Ronaldo. Two true goats for sure. Goats, what did we do wrong here? The goats said, okay, girl, you do it. Fine. Even the goats are confused. They just wanted to play. Teacher, where's your homework? Her, you're not gonna believe. The ghost be like, girl, who we running from? Oh, sis, it's not that serious. She was just trying to go home and do her homework. I wonder who went back and got her book back. You know she didn't. At least she didn't overreact. Bless her heart.